Hello guys, welcome to my channel 2Rankify. Here in this tutorial I would like to take a question from the bit magic, very famous question, that is the how to find the number of set bit in a given number. Suppose we have given a number 6 and its binary representation is 110 and the number of set bit is 2. And let's take another input, that is 8. Its binary representation is 1000 and the number of set bit is 1. So let's take we have seen that 6 has two number of set bit and 8 has one number of set bit. So let's see how we can count the number of set bit in a given number. So let's try to solve it using the best case approach and the worst case approach. So let's solve it using naive approach. First algorithm that comes into our mind is naive approach. Let's take a counter variable, that is c, initialize it with 0, and it for iterating through all the bit let's take a while loop and passing the value n. So for incrementing the counter variable only when we find the number of we found the set bit. For example, 110 is the binary representation of that number, and we will increment the c only when we find the set bit. Okay, for you doing this we will do that c plus equal to n and 1. Here we have used the bitwise AND operator and operate it with 1. We will do that whenever we will find the set bit, it will increment the counter variable c. So after incrementing it, we will right shift that checked element to 1. So let's take the complexity, time complexity and space complexity of this algorithm. The time complexity is big O of log n, and the space complexity is big O of 1. Big O of n, why? Because we do not have used any extra space. So for solving this question, let's take a best very popular algorithm, that is Brain-Kernighan algo. It is a very famous algorithm for solving for counting the number of set bit in a given number. So let's see how we can count the number of set bit in a given number through this algorithm. So first I will write the algorithm, then I will explain the step-by-step explanation of that algorithm. So let's see that we will take a counter variable, that is c is equal 0, and for iterating it we will use a loop while n, and after that we will apply the algorithm, that is n and equal to n minus 1. I will explain it why we have used this and what's the main reason behind using this algorithm. Okay, then after that we will increment c plus plus. Okay, means whenever we have found that the bit is set, and we will increment that counter variable. So let's see the explanation of this. Suppose we have given the number n is equal to 5. The algorithm says that we will increment while n and n equal to n minus 1 and c plus plus. So let's see what's the main reason behind it. We have given the number n is equal to 5, and we will do we will perform this logic. N is equal to 5 and n is equal to 5, and we will perform the bitwise operator with it n minus 1, that is 4, and we will get the output as 101 100, and the output will be 100, and it will be stored into n. Means n will have the value 1000, and the counter variable c has been incremented to 1. Means that c has the value 1 and the n has the value now 4. So for after this we will see that n is equal to 4 and n has been decreased by 1, so 3 binary representation is 100, and 3 has binary representation 011. Okay, so here we will store the result into the n directly. We will find that after performing the bitwise AND operator, we will find that the n will have value 0, and c will be incremented 2 plus 1. Means here c has the value 2 and n has the value 0, and when the n has value 0, then the while it will go to the while loop and the condition will be false, then it will be it will come out of the block of the while loop. So here let's talk about the space complexity and time complexity of this algorithm. The space complexity of this algorithm is big of number of set bit, and space complexity is big of 1. Here we have seen that the previous algorithm was the uh, uh, time complexity of big of log n, and this algorithm has the big of number of set bits. It is so that's why we have used so this algorithm so many where to find the number of set bit through this algorithm, that it optimize the code, it will optimize the looping, it will optimize the time complexity, space complexity from the previous ones. So thank you for listening this. Be rankify to rankify.